Welcome to AI Frontiers, the podcast where we explore groundbreaking research at the intersection of artificial intelligence and human knowledge. Today's episode delves into computational linguistics, a field that bridges human language and machine logic. We'll uncover how AI is reshaping scientific writing and influencing the way humans express ideas. A surprising trend has emerged in scientific writing. Words like important are fading, while terms such as crucial are on the rise. This shift, identified by Galpin et al., raises an intriguing question. Are machines subtly steering the evolution of human expression? The findings suggest that large language models may be playing a role in shaping linguistic trends. Why study computational linguistics? This field examines how AI impacts language and drives the technologies we use daily, such as virtual assistants like Siri and tools like Google Translate. By understanding the interaction between humans and machines, researchers aim to enhance communication across diverse contexts. Computational linguistics serves as a bridge between two vastly different worlds: the chaotic, nuanced realm of human language and the rigid, logical domain of computers. Through this work, machines are learning to process sarcasm, cultural references, and even humor, enabling them to generate language that feels increasingly natural. One major theme in recent research is the role of AI in shaping writing trends. Picture a gardener planting seeds in a field, each seed representing a word or phrase. Researchers like Galpin et al. Have found that AI acts as a gardener, subtly guiding which linguistic plants thrive in scientific writing. Words often shift together, reflecting deeper patterns in language use. Another critical theme is transparency in AI models. Tools developed by Palikhe et al. Are shedding light into the black boxes of language models, revealing why these systems make specific decisions. This work is essential for building trust and ensuring that AI operates in predictable and interpretable ways. Multilingual processing presents unique challenges, particularly for less resourced languages. Kundu et al. Are addressing this issue by supporting Bangla dialects, ensuring inclusivity for smaller languages. Their efforts highlight the importance of building bridges so no community is left behind in the AI revolution. Key findings from recent studies reveal fascinating insights. Santosh et al. Introduced allotaxonographies, tools that uncover hidden patterns in complex systems. Meanwhile, Mancoridis et al. Coined the term potemkin understanding, describing how many models excel through surface-level pattern recognition rather than true comprehension. Today's stand-up paper comes from Galpin et al. 2025, who examine how AI reshapes scientific English. By analyzing millions of PubMed abstracts, the researchers tracked shifts in word usage over time. Their findings demonstrate coordinated changes in groups of related words, offering a window into AI's influence on scientific communication. The methodology employed by Galpin et al. Combined quantitative and qualitative approaches. Using frequency analysis and part-of-speech tagging, they revealed how entire groups of words shifted together. This meticulous approach provided a rich understanding of how AI impacts language trends in scientific writing. These findings raise important questions about clarity versus complexity in scientific communication. Does AI enhance or dilute the precision of language? By bridging technical rigor with real-world implications, this research offers valuable insights into how technology shapes human expression and the future of written communication. Looking ahead, the future of computational linguistics holds exciting possibilities. Imagine AI systems that preserve endangered languages or adapt to individual personalities, speaking in ways that feel genuinely human. Researchers are also developing more efficient architectures, paving the way for smarter and greener AI technologies. To conclude, this episode has explored how AI is reshaping language trends, enhancing model transparency, and advancing multilingual processing. These breakthroughs underscore the profound impact of computational linguistics on human communication. Dive deeper into the papers discussed today. They're linked in the show notes, and share your thoughts online. This deck was created using advanced AI tools like GPT, qwen-max, Deepgram, and Grok. While human-reviewed for accuracy, oversights remain possible. The synthesis of these technologies highlights the collaborative potential of AI and human expertise in producing insightful content. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the archive preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses archive.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by archive.org.